What's going on, guys? Shane aka MustyYeti here. I hope you're all doing great. Today is going to be another video in the series where we open up a TacPack box. As you guys can see, we have two here. October and September were both really busy months for me, so unfortunately I wasn't able to get into these boxes and especially get on camera and do that. So if you guys aren't familiar, if you're new to the channel, if you're new to these video series, TacPack is a subscription-based service where you pay a certain amount of money each month and they send you surprise boxes. It's like anything like the clothing or food subscription services you see online, but this is for guys and girls like you and me, men and women who prefer guns, EDC gear, knives, stuff like that. So like I keep saying, I'm going to keep saying it, it's like Christmas every month. So I don't want to waste any more of your time. I want to get into these boxes because I've been waiting to get into September's forever, and I got October's a few days ago, so let's get this thing started. Alright guys, so we're on the table. It's time to get these things open. Now before we get started though, I do want to mention that you guys, I do have coupon codes for you. If you guys use Yeti10, you're going to get 10% off your first TacPack box. And if you use YetiKnife, you're going to get a free knife with that first pack. So a huge shout out to TacPack for giving the viewers, my subscribers, a little deal to get a little money off and a little extra knife with any pack you get. So I can't remember which one is the newest one. This is the newer one. So this is going to be September's box. Let's go ahead and get this thing open and not waste any more time. We're going to go ahead and use one of the knives that we previously got in a TacPack before. I haven't really used this all that much because I like it so much. I don't want to damage it, but I've been carrying this here and there. I've really enjoyed this knife though. It's been really nice. So let's go and get this thing open and see what we have inside for, oh, this thing is still sharp, for September. About this side, let's put it back in its sheath before something bad happens. Alright, here we go. Let's just get this out of the way. Alright. And let me... Okay. Ooh, what is this? Oh, TacPack shirt. Nice. Alright, so let's get this thing open. I love me some shirts. Could always use more, that's for sure. See what this looks like. What is this, a Misfit logo? The skull, the TacPack in the face. Nice. Add that to the collection. That's something I will be wearing. Off to the side. Okay. Alright, what we got here next? A Breakthrough Clean Technologies Battle Rope Bore Cleaning Rope. Cleans 223. Nice, which we have. 5.56 pistols and ARs. Twice the cleaning action, integrated bronze brush, and removable hard bristle nylon brush. Extra thick rope fills the bore completely for superior clean, weighted brass end. Cool. Well, I've got one of these and I love them, but I've had it for, oh man, I don't even know, 5 or 6 years or something. So maybe it's time to retire that and use this one, or maybe just put this one in a range bag. So that's really cool. Something that will definitely get used a lot. Oh hey, here we go. A guided field sharpener. Work sharpener outdoor sharpens. All right. Abrasive diamond ceramic leather, sharpening guides, 20 degrees sharpen, 25 hone, sharpness knife tools, fish hooks, broadheads, so arrows. These are all the things it can do, scissors, little axes. That's really cool. It looks like it'd be a multi-tool that does a couple of things, but maybe I'll have to bust into it and figure that out. The guided field sharpener is a compact knife and tool sharpener designed for use in the field. Built-in angled guides ensure a consistent bevel across the entire blade. 5 abrasive steps provide... Oh wow, you can really get this thing sharp then if you go through all those steps. All elements are self-contained and require no assembly in the field. That's really cool, especially with all the knives we've been getting with the TacPacks. Oh, 5.56 stickers. Love me some stickers. Oh, what's this? Last thing. Relentlessly quiet. Rex... What is this? Oh, it's a muzzle brake. Oh shit, that's awesome. Okay, let me hold on. Let me get this thing off camera. I don't want to bump it. I'm already dancing between the tripod and a mic stand now that's right in front of me with this new mic I have. Alright, how do I get this thing open? This is crazy. Do I have to get a knife and break this thing open? I feel dumb. Oh no, I have to pull it. Okay, that's a kind of an interesting way of... Alright, here we go. Oh dang, look at that. That's a mean looking muzzle device there. 2 huge ports on the side and then some holes on the top to help with that muzzle climb. Wow, that's actually kind of a cool looking muzzle brake. I haven't heard of this company though before, so it might be time to throw this on one of my, 5 or 6 ARs and see how it does. So it's kind of a AR-15 / knife pack. Pretty cool. Let's see what everything's worth in here. Oh, is there something else? No, advertisement. Okay. So let's see. Muzzle device is $55. I can't remember what these cost. I think it's 65 or $70 each box. So we're close to paying off of the box already. Workshop guided field sharpener, that's $35. Breakthrough clean rope, $16. Shirt, $25. So yeah, we're definitely well over the price you paid for the pack as usual. October hype, which is up there. 5 items total from 5 big brands. Hex Mag, ooh, Black Rifle Cup, yes, absolutely essential. Oh man, I'm excited for these two. So let's not waste any more time and let's get into the next box. Get in there. Is there anything else? The shirt's up to the side. Okay. Yes. All right. So let's get into this sucker here real quick. This is October's box again. And I've actually been delayed between recording the intro and this, so now I think I'm going to be getting November's box here very shortly. So let's get into this thing. All right, here we go. Ba, 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 ba. I see something already I know I'm going to want. Here it is. Oh, man, I love Hex Mags. I have one I got free from SHOT Show. And I'm one of those guys where I do have a buttload of mags, so I haven't bought extra Hex Mags, but I would absolutely take more of them if they were offered to me. And here's one right here. So this is a much needed addition to my mag collection. Of course, you guys probably know everything about Hex Mags already. 5.56, 223, lightweight, impact resistant. Yeah, love Hex Mags. That's a great addition to a TacPack box. That's heavy. Let's wait on that. What is that? Oh, ooh, yeah, coffee mug. Yep. All right. Yes, this is legit. All of a sudden, they're out to clean that off. That is awesome. Black Rifle Coffee Company. That is a sick coffee mug. I'm going to be sporting the absolute hell out of this thing. Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, that to the side. Oh, all right. An armor's tool. I think I've already got 4 or 5 armor's tools, but you can never hurt to have one more. JE Machine Tech. I've learned that not all armor's tools are made equally. So we'll see how this one does, and maybe I can give one away. If I don't need this one, maybe I will do giveaway. I'll let you guys know in the description below if I decide to do that. Oh, nice. This is awesome. All right, so if you guys watched the previous video, I actually got something air related that I already had, and this is the same thing. I actually got some anti-rotation pins, and I actually really enjoy having these on my ARs, but I've only gotten one so far, so this is definitely going to be installed on one of my AR-15s that's sitting in my gun safe. So look at that. In 2 packs, I'm gonna have 2 decent parts for my AR-15. So let's look at this. Oh, GunTech USA. Yeah, these guys are the ones that provided me a rail for my 9mm AR pistol 9mm build. GunTech USA. Yeah, these guys are great. So yeah, I'm going to be installing this definitely here soon on one of my rifles. I'll just have to pick one and do that. Anything else in here? A sticker, again, love the stickers. Let's see what, we'll get that out of the way. Let's get this up here. A little constant advertisement there, boop, boop. All right, so let's see here. We've got, all right, so the JE Machine Armor's Wrench is 30. Hex Mag is 15. A little typo there. TacPack, 2 periods. Yeah. Black Rifle Coffee Company mug, $20. GunTech anti-rotational pins, 30. And a sticker is priceless, obviously. November hype, which is going to be coming here really soon. We have a big American-made AR part in the next month's pack. That's awesome. They'll absolutely redefine your kit. Ooh, we've already equipped it to all your builds. That's cool. So apparently they're going for also cold weather gear, EDC, and super unique and detailed tool from folks at Real Avid. Well, that's gonna be cool. So it looks like they're trying to pack by pack kind of aid you and assist you in building an AR-15. So we've gotten something for an AR. I'm gonna get this all on the table here. Something for an AR in every pack. So you add all that up, you're gonna have some decent stuff for your. Let's just use this knife as a little kickstand here. I've got so much crap I gotta lean around. It is crazy. All right, so there is your September, October TacPack. I'm telling you guys, I'm having a blast opening these things. It's really cool to, like I said, have a mini Christmas every month and see what you get. Yeah, like I said, I'm super hyped for the coffee mug. I love Hex Mags, the cleaning kit you can never go wrong with. Some extra muzzle devices, you know, how often do people really buy new ones and, you know, change them out and try them out? So this is kind of a cool thing to test out something new and see how you like it. Yeah, just some great stuff. But yeah, guys, that's about it. Again, we're going to be having the November pack probably here soon. If you guys found this video informative, feel free to hit the like button. If you guys haven't, feel free to hit that subscribe button. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos in the future. Again, don't forget those discount codes in the bottom description. Yeti10 for 10% off your first TacPack, and YetiKnife to get that free knife with your first TacPack. So yeah, guys, that's about it. I appreciate you stopping by, checking out the video. Take care, stay safe. We'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.